Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In the face of an increasingly competitive external environment, cost reduction and efficiency improvement are what every modern factory is pursuing. Today's video will show you the practical application of a heat exchanger in the EPS block plant. See how the factory uses waste steam to save energy. In the video, you can see 3 pipes from left to right connected to the EPS batch pre-expanding machine, the EPS block molding machine, and the condensate discharge outlet respectively. The size of this heat exchanger is 3 meters long and 1.3 meters wide. There is a pipe behind the heat exchanger, connected to the drying room, which is used for heating the drying room and can reduce aging time for EPS blocks. In addition, the buffer tank below this heat exchanger is also wrapped with a layer of insulation to better utilize heat. For more information about the energy saving for EPS plant, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in next video.